Myself, Sri Vadve VB, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Renuka Devi Mahavidyalaya Mahur. Herewith, I am creating the video assignment submitted to Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University Nanded and Tosniwal ACS College Sengaon organize 1 week faculty development program during the 22nd June to 27th June 2020. So for this creation of video, my topic is ultrasonics application. So objectives of this video: after watching of this video, learners are able to know the meaning of ultrasonics, properties of ultrasonics, properties, ultrasonics applications in engineering, medical, and some other applications. So let's begin with the introduction. The word ultrasonics combine the Latin roots. Ultra means beyond and sonic means sound. So the sound beyond the audible frequency is called as the ultrasonic sounds. So the sound is having the range in between 20 to 20 kilohertz is called the audible sound or audio sound, while the frequency below than 20 hertz are called as the infrasonic waves or sounds. So generally these ultrasonics waves are called as the high frequency waves. So the field of ultrasonics waves have the wide applications for imaging, detection and navigation. So this broad sector of the society that regularly applies ultrasonics technology are the medical community, industry and military. So these are the some properties of ultrasonics waves. These ultrasonics waves are the high energy contents. Just like an ordinary waves, these ultrasonics waves get reflected, refracted and absorbed. They can be transmitted over a large distance with no appreciable loss of energy. If an agreement is made to form stationary waves of ultrasonics in a liquid, it serves as a diffraction grating and it is called as the acoustic grating. And last property of these ultrasonic waves is they produce a high intense heating effect when they are passed through a substance. So as I can explain, this is the topic where I am going to explaining the application of ultrasonics. So first application is the ultrasonics in the engineering. So what are the applications of these ultrasonics? First one is the detection of faults or cracks in metals. So for this testing, non-destructive testing, NDT testing is used. Ultrasonics drilling, ultrasonics welding, ultrasonic soldering, ultrasonic cuttings and machining, ultrasonic cleaning and sonar. These are the list of the ultrasonic waves application in engineering field. So one by one we will discuss in details. So first application is the detection of faults or crack in a metal. So here the principle used is to detection of cracking metal is ultrasonic waves are used to detect the presence of faults or defects in the form of cracks, blowholes, etc. in the internal structure of the material. So by sending out the ultrasonic beam, by measuring the time interval of the reflected beam, faults in a metal can be determined. So this is the experimental setup. This is the high frequency generators G. It consists of high frequency generator, cathode ray oscilloscope, transmitting transducer and receiving transducer as an amplifier. So what is the working. In a fall, there is a change of medium and this produces the reflection of the ultrasonics at the cavities or crack. The reflected beam, that is we called as echoes, is recorded by using the cathode ray oscilloscope. So this time interval between the initial and fall echoes depends on the range of fall, and by examining the echoes on the CRO, the falls can be detected and their size can be estimated. So this method has some feature. So this method is used to detect the fall in the all common structural metals and other materials like rubber, tires, etc. This method is very cheap and of high speed of operation. And another feature of this method is that it is more accurate than the radiography. Ultrasonic drilling, as I can told you in the properties of the ultrasonic waves, these are the high energy waves. So when these high energy waves are passed through a metal, it can be used for a drilling purpose also. So ultrasonics are used for making holes in a very hard material like glass, diamond, etc. For this purpose, a suitable drilling tool bit is fixed at the one end of a powerful ultrasonics generator. Some thin paste of DM powder and water is made to fall between the bit and the plate in which the hole is to be made. So these ultrasonics waves are using for a drilling. Ultrasonics is used for a welding also. Some properties of the metal change on heating and therefore such metal cannot be welded by using a electric or gas welding. In such a cases, metallic sheets are welded together at a room temperature by using the ultrasonic waves. So for this purpose, hammer H is attached to a powerful ultrasonic generator as shown in this figure. This is the H and this is the two metal which are going to be welded. So next application is the ultrasonic soldering. For soldering purpose, these ultrasonic waves are also used. Next application is the ultrasonics cutting and machining. So ultrasonics waves are using for cutting and machining. Ultrasonics cleaning, it is most cheap technique employed by the cleaning various part of this machine, electronic assembly, watches, etc., which cannot be easily cleaned by using the other methods. So this is the last application of the ultrasonics in the engineering field is the sonar. So sonar is a technique which is stand for sound navigation and ranging. So it uses the ultrasonics for the detection and identification of underwater objects. So this method is consist of sending a powerful beam of ultrasonics in a suspended direction in the water. By knowing the time interval between the emission and reception of the beam after the reflection, the distance of the object can be calculated. So change in the frequency of echo signal due to the Doppler effect helps to determine the velocity of the body and its direction. Now we are going to discuss the next field of application of ultrasonics is the medicine. So first application is the medical sonography. Medical sonography is an ultrasound based diagnostic medical imaging technique used to visualize the muscle, tendons and many internal organs and their size, structure and pathological lessons. They are used to visualize the factors during the routine and emergency peritoneal cases. Ultrasonic scans are performed by medical healthcare professionals called the sonographers, and the obstetric sonography is commonly used during the pregnancy. Next application of the ultrasonics in the medium is the blood flow meter. So ultrasonic waves are used for studying the blood flow method by measuring the change in their frequency produced due to the Doppler effects. Some other application of ultrasonics is the ultrasonic guidance for the blind. So in this method, the ultrasonic waves are used for the guiding the blind person who carries the walking stick containing an ultrasonics transmitter and receiver. So ultrasonics transmitter transmit the signal, and when the obstacle is came in between the transmitter and receiver, this echoes is produced, and due to this blind person estimate the distance of the obstacle. Next application of the ultrasonics is research. So scientists are often used in research, for instance, to break up the high molecular weight polymers, thus creating the new plastic materials. Indeed, the ultrasonics also makes it possible to determine the molecular weight of the liquid polymer and to conduct other form of the investigation on the physical properties of the material. Another application in the research is ultrasonics can also be used to speed up certain chemical reaction, and hence it has gained the application in the agriculture that seeds subjected to the ultrasounds may germinate more rapidly and produce a higher yields. So after watching this video, learners are learned that are the outcomes is the ultrasonics and their properties, and another outcomes is that application of the ultrasonics in the field of engineering, medical science, including the general application in research and agriculture. For creation of this PowerPoint presentation, I had take the references Sound by Brijlal and N. Subramaniam, Vikas publication, and Waves and Oscillation by Brijlal and N. Subramaniam. So with this,